the next problem statement is to convert a lowercase string into uppercase. To convert lowercase string into uppercase. Example, if I am giving a lowercase string as hello, then the output should be hello. To convert the lowercase string into uppercase, we have some function name called strupr, but it's not functioning. So once again I am starting this. To convert the lowercase string into uppercase without using strupr function. Without using this function, we need to convert the given lowercase string into uppercase. Now let's see how we can convert it. So these are the header files, next followed by main function. Within this char string I have read some size. Enter the string 1 in lowercase. Enter the string 1 in lowercase. So I am reading the string 1. Now I require some of the identifiers as part of this code, like I require one int, some identifier I. So initially I will be taking this I value as 0. Now I am going to write a logic for this in order to convert the given lowercase string into uppercase. So first we need to read the individual characters of a given string. So in order to do that, so what I'll do is, if this string 1, that is the condition is while string 1 of I is not equal to null. Null is nothing but /0. Null is nothing but /0. So till this condition is satisfied, I'll be entering into the while loop. If I'll be writing the condition here, if string 1 of I is greater than or equal to the lowercase alphabet a, logical and the string 1 of I is less than or equal to the lowercase alphabet z. So if this is a condition, which means any given character, any given string, I am going to trace character by character, and I am going to check with a condition if it is lying between lowercase alphabets from A to Z. Now what I should do is, I need to convert that string into uppercase. S of I equal to, that is string 1 of I is equal to string 1 of I. So we need to deduct that number, deduct this particular character with minus 32. So we know the ASCII values. So if you are reducing that with a minus, then you are going to get the capital alphabets. That is, A value is 97 and capital A is 65. So the difference will be like 32, right? Now minus 32. Once you have been used this particular logic, so it will be converting the lowercase characters into the uppercase character. Now what is our next task is, we need to increment this I value. So let me increment this I value, because we need to check for next characters, right? Next characters present in the string. That is the reason I am incrementing this I value, right? So this is how we are going to write a logic for converting any lowercase string into uppercase. Now after this while loop, we need to printf the uppercase string is %s/n. So here we need to print str1. This is our string 1, in which we have the uppercase converted string. Now let me execute this code and check whether we are going to get the correct result or not. So enter string 1 in lowercase. So I am entering string 1 in lowercase, hello. As soon as I enter, the uppercase string is hello, HELLO. You can see it is in uppercase. Now let me execute with one more test case. Welcome to strings. So you can see here The uppercase string is welcome to strings. Welcome to strings. It has converted into uppercase. The next program similar to this, to convert the uppercase string into lowercase without using strlwr string. That is, if a given string is hello in the capital letters, we need to convert this into lowercase hello. Now what is the logic here is, till this it is clear, it is same, and here we need to change. This is a capital letter A and it is capital Z, which means I am checking for individual characters of capital letters in a given string from A to Z. If it is that, I am going to add 32 for that, then I will be getting the lowercase. The lowercase string is str1, here the string 1 in uppercase. So this is how we can convert the uppercase string into lowercase without using strlwr function. Let me execute this code and check whether I am going to get the lowercase or not. I am giving the uppercase string hello, the lowercase string is hello. The next problem statement related to the strings, to find length of the string without using strlen function. So we need to find the length of the given string without using strlen function. So here I am initializing char str1 of size. Next I require integer variable length and I am using I for iterations. Initially I will take length value is 0 I. Next enter the string get str1. So I am reading the string. Now here we need to write the logic. For I equal to 0, I less than, or I can write string 1 of I which is not equal to null, Till this I am going to count the length len plus plus. So this is what the logic. Now I am going to print if the length of string is %d. Here I am going to write the string length len. Now let us execute the code and check whether we are going to get the length of the string without using strlen function. So enter the string. Here I am asking for the string hello is the string. The length of string 5. Suppose if you want the dynamic string whatever you have printed part of your output, the length of string %s is d, and here this is str1 comma length. So here once again I am executing the code. Enter the string. I am giving the string as Virtulearn. The length of string Virtulearn is 10. You can count the number of characters which are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 characters in the given string. So this is how we can find out the length of the given string without string length function. The next program is to print the given string, in reverse without using strrev function. Now if the given string is hello, then the output of this we are expecting is OLLEH. So this should be output of the given program, for which I have initialized these identifiers string 1 reverse I equal to -1 j equal to 0. As I am using pre-increment, that is the reason I have used I equal to -1. Next enter the string. So here we are going to, with this particular statements we are going to read the string. And this is the logic to find out the length of the string. Here while loop followed by semicolon, which means the semicolon here is a null statement. It doesn't execute anything. And here I am incrementing plus plus I, which means in a given string I am checking with whether it is equivalent to null or not. For example, if I am giving hello is h, that is str1 of plus plus I is nothing but 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. str1 of 0 is not equal to null. Is condition true or false? If condition is true, I value is again incremented till it is encountered with null statement, and I value, if I take hello, will be 5. Now while 5 greater than or equal to 0, condition is true, here reverse the reverse string of j++. This is post increment. j++ means reverse of 0++. First iteration j value will be 0 only. Reverse of 0 equal to str1 of minus minus I. What is minus minus I? I value is 5, then minus minus I will be 4. So the last element index, that is 4. This O will be stored in the location reverse of 0. Similarly, if you process this entire while loop, L will be stored in reverse of 1. Again, the next L will be stored in reverse of 2. Next E will be stored in reverse of 3. Next H will be stored in reverse of 4. So starting from 0 to 4, that is total 5 characters will be stored in the reverse order with the help of this logic to store these elements in the reverse. Next, the last end of the string is been represented by null, that is /0. This is what I am writing in J. As J++, the value will become 5. In reverse of 5, you are going to write this. Next, I am printing the reverse of a given string, the result. Let me execute the output and check whether we are going to get the correct result or not. So I am giving the string as hello. The reverse of string hello is OLLEH. So according to our example, whatever the logic which we wrote, we got the correct result. Let me execute with another test case. If I am saying happy, then the reverse of happy is YPPAH. So this is what the reverse of a given string without using strrv function.